Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hide your pictures, files, or folders in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, Google Photos is a cloud storage service made by Google, used exclusively for photos and videos. And it is both on the PC. As you can see, I'm currently on the browser version, and it is also accessible through Android and iOS, through the App Store and through the Google Play Store. Now, to actually hide your pictures or videos or whatever you want, you need to locate and use your locked folder. Now, the locked folder is pretty much a hidden folder or a private vault, I guess you could say, of your own pictures or your own videos, in which you can place your things so that you cannot see them once you're scrolling through your gallery or albums or anywhere else. Now, to do this on PC, you just need to locate it right to the left of your main screen. On the mobile, you have to go into Utilities and locate it. However, after that, it's pretty much the same. But yeah, just enter it. And once you're here, enter your password. And once you do, you'll have access to the hidden folder or the locked folder. To move stuff here, what you want to do is just click on Move Items and just select what items from your gallery you want to move there. And then once you do, click Move, confirm move, and everything should be just fine. And yeah, now if we go back, you'll see that those pictures are no longer in the gallery. You can move them between these two however you would like. Let me just show you that you can move them back. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I don't have anything else to say. This is how you move them back. But yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.